How to create a poll on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a poll on Messenger group. So, you must keep one thing in mind that poll can only be created in a group, not with a single person. So, in order to do it, what you're gonna do is first open Messenger app. Now, go to the group you want to create a poll on. Then in the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see a plus icon which is over here. Click on it and then you'll be shown with 5 options. Go to the last option which says poll. Now add a question to the poll. So I'm doing how are you? Then you can add options and good bad. After you add questions and the options, you're gonna go to create poll. And there you go, you have created a poll. The people in the group can vote for the poll by clicking on vote, then either choosing the option good or bad and submitting it. So this is how you can create a poll on Messenger. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next one.